This is the Comulytic Note Pro AI note taker, and we are hoping that it will help us in our day-to-day lives by summarizing important meetings and calls, allowing us to focus on who we are talking to without missing important details. It's mostly useful in work meetings, but also works great for summarizing your voice chats during intense multiplayer gaming sessions. Meetings are a part of many people's jobs, especially if you work from home, and yes, you do have to have meetings with people, even as content creators like ourselves. We take calls with brands about sponsorships opportunities whenever emails aren't enough. When we do these calls, we want to make sure that we are as present as possible, focusing on the person or people in the call with us to come to an agreement about a sponsorship and the specific details of the video we will be creating using their product. There are usually a lot of important details within these calls, such as what to show, what to avoid, specific phrases to use, specs they want us to mention. It's easy to forget these details, but important that you don't, so it's expected of us to either remember everything or write down notes as the meeting goes on. This works okay, but again, we lose the connection to the other people every time we have to look off screen to write down notes. I'm sure you can relate to this if you have many work meetings too. A great tool we've come to use to solve this problem is simple yet effective, an AI note taker. Now, there are a lot of different ones out there, but today we are going to take a look at the Comulytic Note Pro, a physical note taker. They sent us this note taker for review and are sponsoring today's video, but all thoughts are our own. It comes in 3 colors, black, silver, and orange. Let's take a look at what it can do. There are a few things that we like about this note taker out of the gate, and the first one is that it's a set price. You buy it once, outright, and you get unlimited access to transcriptions and summaries of your meetings without any limitations or monthly fees, so often seen with other AI note takers. Now, because of this, the price is a bit steep, at around $140, but then that's it. You own it, and you have access forever. Typical subscription models will cost around $15 a month per person using the account, so that means about 9.5 months before the Comulytic note taker becomes quote-unquote free. However, if you don't have that many meetings, you might get away with a free or low-tier trial of other note takers, in which case, definitely start there. The other thing we do like about this one though is the fact that it's a physical object. There's no need to invite an AI into your Google Meet call, open an app or software to manually start to record your meeting. Instead, all you have to do is press one button and keep it within a 5-meter distance and you're set. It's simple and to the point, and always works no matter which platform your meeting is on, or even if it's an in-person meeting. This ease of use is really nice to see, and it's an easy way to introduce a note taker into your current workflow without hiccups. It also helps that the form factor is really small and ultra thin at just 0.12 inches or 3 millimeters. The Note Pro uses a mix of GPT-5, Gemini, and Whisper as its AI brain. It's pretty accurate too, with a rating of 98% accuracy across 113 languages, and will get you a transcription and summary of your meeting from the recorded audio pretty quickly after it ends, so that you can go straight into reviewing what was discussed and continue on with your work. Oh, and it has a pretty large 45-hour battery, so no need to constantly charge it between meetings either. Now, it does actually have a monthly subscription, but before you panic, this is for deeper AI analytics, to-do list generation, and things like that are definitely a bonus, not at all a must-have. You will still always get free unlimited transcription and summaries without having to pay for any subscription. If you want to try the Pro features though, you can do so with a 90-day premium plan trial if you buy the Note Pro before February 23rd, 2026. You don't only have to use it for work meetings though, you could also use it for gaming, such as the voice chat during an intense multiplayer game or even a summary of a gaming podcast or live stream. That way you don't have to forget about the important parts, which makes improving yourself and your team even easier. All you have to do is click the device once to record, and then once again to summarize it all for you, hassle-free. We're curious, what would you use an AI note taker for? Let us know in the comments. Overall, it seems like a decent note-taking option if you're okay with the upfront cost and physical aspect of it. Personally, we like that there's no lengthy setup and that you can trust it to work with any meeting across any meeting place like Google Meet, Zoom, Discord, or in person. It's simple with its one press and reliable. However, it is expensive, and you might be able to get away with free or limited software that will do pretty much the same thing. If you're curious and want to learn more though, make sure to check out the description below. You can also get an additional $10 off by using our code. Thanks again, Comulytic, for sponsoring the video, and thank you for watching all the way to the end. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more tech reviews in the future. Until then, bye.